Wait, I gotta make it back. I hear air coming. Hold on. I gotta hurry. We are on our way to Walnut Grove. Say hi to the vlog. We got Dylan. Dylan's here. We made it to Walnut Grove. We stopped on the side of the road. There is a river on that side. I'm not gonna cross right now, but the Lexus is over there. We came to Fat Lou's Cafe. And we got Dylan in the cut. And then I'll show you guys the menu too. We got the ribs, but they got all this stuff. Check it, yeah. The man behind the grill.
What's up, everybody? My name's Lou from Fat Lou's Cafe. And come on down, we got a lot of good stuff. We got pulled pork on this side. I got some ribs. We cook them here. We start them here in the Traeger. And then we slide them over to the Weber. We get the love all over it. We kiss each piece, give it all the sweetness. That's what's up.
Made with love.
That's right.
Super cool. Good ribs and onion rings with the mac and cheese. Fat Lou's. Well, guys, I locked my keys in my car. Like, legitimately. I'm a fucking idiot. It's fine. We'll figure this out. I'm not gonna lie. That really made me upset. Leaving my keys in the car like that. Oh. But look, I'm regrouping. I'm refocusing. We just ate. And I'm just gonna accept life. There's beautiful scenery outside. I'm gonna go fucking enjoy it. 30 minutes, the locksmith's gonna be here, and I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be good, we're gonna be good, life's good. Life's beautiful. Love y'all. We're gonna have to try this fucking Mel's Mocha ice cream. For sure, gonna have to try that.
Check out a thrift shop over there.
Let's go. Thrift shop. Find some fucking vintage Louis Vuitton boots. No, but it will. Brought the Mexican Coke over here to Walnut Grove. There's a little dock off the map. Just left the thrift store. Let me hold this tight because I don't want to lose anything else. No fishing. Miners wear life jackets. What is this? Oh damn, you could go all the way. I feel like usually they got like shit like blocked off like this.
Probably so you can park your boat, get food.
This is sick, bro. And it's clean. It's like super.
Not bird shit everywhere.
Yeah, it's like super clean. Still a good day, besides all the hardships, the trials, and the tribulations. We're here, Walnut Grove, baby. What up, y'all? We got the tripod because we finally got to go in the car, and this is where we are at.
Doing great. We're hoping we can get this spooled.
No?
No, they don't do it here? Oh.
It's all good. Do you know where we can? Not around here.
Live chronos. So what should we do? I mean, we could spool it. I could do it.
You know how to spool it?
No way, dude. BTS. What are we gonna do? Should we just go try to spool it ourselves?
Let's try it.
There's nowhere else that we can go. There's no Walmart out here.
Dude, what the fuck, man?
Well, we walked down and found a little tuck spot right here by the Rio Vista American flag. I'm gonna teach Dylan how to cast a fishing pole today.
Watch out.
I'm actually scared. No way.
Bruh.
We're here at Lyra's in the middle of fucking butt fuck. I'm about to grab some brewskis. Lyra beers. It's been an eventful day. Had some great barbecue, but at the same time locked my keys in the car. What are you gonna do? Yo, what up, y'all? We're here at Brandon Island Park. That's dope. That's dope. Needed that one. A little setup. You know the fucking deal. Good Pacifico. Can't stop the fire. The Zaza. It's gonna be a little dirty. What up, y'all? It's me back in the boat.
Back in the boat.
Back in the fucking boat. Let's see if I can manage to get the fuck out and back in.
Let go?
Yeah. We're big chillin' out in Rio Vista. How bad's the current? Let me give you guys the other POV. All right, there's a boat over there, straight ahead. It's like a crash boat or some shit. Not a sponsor, but I need one. Dylan took the fishing pole last time. He said it wasn't worth it. Guys, I got 10 minutes left on the GoPro, so I'm gonna row over there, fuck, I really want the whole trip there. Alright, I'm gonna try to get over there. And the way back, I'm gonna not record. Unless something cool happens. Like a fucking crocodile. Man, I've been needing this. I was gonna try to use both, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm doing fine with just one. The boat is right there. I wonder how long it's been there. I'll give you guys a little 360 view. Dylan's back over there. But we are gonna try to make it to the boat. I think we got this. So I kind of got a system. I got 3 on each side, unless I need to turn more. Fucking boat has the motor on it and everything. It's a different looking type of boat. MS Goat boat. That's right. I'm getting the rope up here, but y'all are probably all crazy. That's the boat. My bad, I don't want to get too close because like there's rocks and whatnot. There is a current, but it's not too strong. I'm able to, you know, push against it. There's the boat. Shot of it. It feels so good out here, guys. I don't want to get too close to the rocks now.
Wait, I gotta make it back. I hear air coming. Hold on. I gotta hurry. I don't know if I'm tripping, but I'm getting the fucking air, boy. Zooming. We are zooming. I'm pretty sure this is a sport. And if it was, I'll be in first place, baby. It's not me. Punch myself in the face. Oh, I like going back. I don't know if I was tripping, guys, but I heard air. It could have been just the wind going through these holes on the boat. But, you know me, we ain't playing stupid in no water. Nope. Look, I ain't scared of water. Fuck the hat. I'm not scared of water, but you gotta be careful. I'm actually moving pretty fast against the current. Fuck, man, this is all I wanted to do. Summer has not even started. It's in a month, or like this month, June. But bro, we done started this shit, boy. I'm chilling. I'm big chilling. All right. I'm gonna turn it off because I'm about near land, but I'll talk to you guys later.